To all my fellow Jamaicans living in Jamaica and overseas, this message is for you. Do not skip this video. If you live on the east coast of the US or Canada, you can ship barrel home on a regular basis. And if you're quite fine with the hassle and trouble of shopping, struggling, taking things down to the shipper, filling up the barrel, then you could go ahead and skip this video. But if you're not fine doing things that way, or if you often find yourself with less than a barrel to ship and you don't know of a way to ship less than a barrel, there is a way. Sit back and let me explain. If you live in places like Arizona, Chicago, Colorado, Nevada, California, or let's say you live in the UK and you live in places like Manchester or Birmingham, or even if you live in the Cayman Islands or Bermuda, let's say you live in Canada in places like British Columbia, Mississauga, Winnipeg, or Edmonton, quite often you want to send things back home, but you have no access to barrel service, or you may have less than a barrel full. There is a way to ship that to Jamaica, and there's a way to ship it very cheap. There is a way to shop online and have your items go from the retailer straight to the doorstep in Jamaica. It is cost efficient and it costs 25 to 30% of what FedEx normally charge. My company's name is Islandwide Express, and we've been doing this for a very long time. Hey, don't just take my word for it. Check out our Instagram page. I will put the link down here. See, on Instagram, we have hundreds of videos showing us making delivery across the entire island of Jamaica. And we do so cheaply. Yes, you can buy things from wherever you are around the world. Just 2 clicks on your smartphone and the items will go straight to the doorstep in Jamaica. Cheap, cheap. Click on the link that says learn more. Let me tell you more. When you support us, you don't only support a local company, you support Jamaica itself. Together, we can join hands and make a better Jamaica. Bless.